In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect the GameSir G7 Pro to an iPhone. It's important to note that before we start, the GameSir G7 Pro does not officially support native Bluetooth pairing with iPhone or iOS. It's mainly designed for Android Bluetooth, PC via dongle or wired, and Xbox. Okay, so what we're going to show you is explain what actually works on iOS, because this controller has some limitations you need to know before trying to pair it. So first off, you need to turn on your iPhone Bluetooth. Unlock your iPhone, go to settings, and tap Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Leave this screen open so it can detect devices. And then you need to switch your controller to Bluetooth mode. On the back of the GameSir G7 Pro, I want you to find the mode switch. Slide it to Bluetooth mode. This is required before pairing any devices. And then you need to power on the controller. Press the Xbox or home button in the center. Wait for the light to turn on, and then the controller should now be in pairing ready state. Okay, and if successful, your controller light will become solid, not blinking. And then you need to hold the pairing button, usually near the USB port or side button. Keep holding until the light starts blinking rapidly. This means it is discoverable. And remember, try to detect it on iPhone. So look under other devices in Bluetooth settings. Search for GameSir G7 Pro or wireless controller. Now, this step is very important. If it shows up, try tapping it to connect. If it doesn't appear, continue to the next step, which is iPhone compatibility fix. All right, you need to confirm that connection and test it. So here's the truth. You need to make sure that iPhone will not properly detect or support G7 Pro input. Even if it connects, buttons may not respond correctly. This is due to the protocol mismatch. iOS requires specific controller certification. So what you can do instead is try holding the B button plus the pairing mode. Sometimes triggers alternate HID mode. Restart iPhone or Bluetooth toggle. Reset controller, pairing, and retry and test with a Bluetooth supported controller instead, like Xbox or MFI controllers. All right. The goal here is you can use the Xbox wireless controller or any iOS certified controllers. Okay, so that would work. Basically, that's it for today's video. The GameSir G7 Pro is an amazing controller, but iPhone compatibility is limited. If your iPhone is not ready, you can use your Android or PC. It works perfectly. But for iPhone gaming, you may need a different controller if this video doesn't work to you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next one.